All right, how about part 3? Let's talk about isotonic solutions, hypotonic solutions, and hypertonic solutions. All right, so isotonic is iso-perfect. They always help you to create equilibrium. They always help all your friends get along. They are the perfect balancer, equalizer to situations. So for example, normal saline is isotonic. D5, dextrose in water, is isotonic. D5 in half normal saline, or a quarter normal saline, which is like the 0.225. Hypotonic, think about hippo, makes the fluid cells swell up like a hippopotamus. That always helps me. So hypotonic is where the solution contains a lower concentration of the solute than a more concentrated solution. So these have a lower osmolarity than your regular circulating blood. So examples of this would be half normal saline, a quarter normal saline, or that 1.3 normal saline. Now hypertonic. Does anyone have that friend that's super hyper and also super skinny at the same time because they never stop moving? Yeah, think about hyper, it makes the cells skinny, okay? So it kind of it's a higher concentration of solute than the other type of solutions. So it is a higher osmolarity than your regular fluids, than your blood. So examples of this is 3% normal saline, 5% normal saline, 10% dextrose in water, or some people call it D10 in W. And then other ones are D5W normal saline, D5W with half normal saline, and then dextrose in LR, or some people call it D5LR. I hope this helps.